Hello dear friends, coming week we are celebrating Christmas festival. So let's have some craft activities related to Christmas. Children, for this activity we require one red color paper which is white from the back side. You have to remember the paper should be white from the back side. One black sketch pen and one red sketch pen. Today we will make Santa Claus face with origami method. We don't require scissor, fevicol, nothing. So first of all, keep this white side up and we have to fold our paper in the middle and press it properly. After folding, you will get one straight line. Then this right side corner you have to fold till this middle line and press it properly. In the same way, the left side line also you have to touch here and then press it. You can rotate the paper as per your convenience. After that, turn the sheet. The triangle should come below part. Now this point of triangle you have to touch to this above part. This point of triangle you have to touch to this above part and press it. Then you will get a shape like a pentagon. After that, which point you have joined to the above part, the same point we will pick and touch to this slipping line in the middle of that line. See. And then press it. Okay. Now this slipping line we have to take in hand and a small fold we will do there. A very small fold. See children, a very small fold you have to do with this line. And we will fold it. Now take the black sketch pen and draw face. How to draw? We have already this middle line. At the right side of that line one eye and at the left side of that line one eye we will draw. Even you can draw different types of expression to your Santa. Then we will take a red color to show the nose and red color to show the mouth. You can use the expressions, emojis from your chat box, from your WhatsApp group to show the different types of expressions. Now after that we have to fold this right side part and this left side part from the back side. So flip that paper and fold this triangle to your back side and press it. In the same way, this triangle also you have to fold it. Then again flip that and press it from both the side again. See, your Santa face is ready. In such a simple way, we can make many colorful Santas and you can decorate your house. For this Christmas tree activity, we required green color paper, 2-3 sheets. This is craft paper, fevicol bottle and scissor. First of all, we have to make one cone. For that, hold your craft paper, white color should be above side and hold it like a kite shape. From this corner, you have to roll this paper and make one cone. On this edge we will apply the glue and we will stick this cone. Whichever extra part is there, now we will cut this cone in equal length. Okay, see, so it can stand properly. Now we will take the another paper and we will divide it into small strips by folding it and by cutting it. I have taken one paper and I have divided into 4 equal parts, and then I will cut it. Children, you got all the 4 symmetrical parts. Now I will take one paper. First fold this paper 2 times and then give the cuts. So it will save your time also, and all the cuts will come in symmetrical way. Don't cut till the line. Be careful while using the scissor. Now take something and you have to roll it from this part. Then you will get the nice texture. Otherwise you can do like this also. Then also the corners will get done. Otherwise use this simple method. See. And when you will open it, automatically all the cuts will come in a symmetrical way. See. In the same way we will do the remaining papers also. Now step by step we will stick these papers on this cone. For that first you have to apply the glue on this line. See, step by step we have sticked all these strips on this cone. So our tree body is ready. So let's make the stick. For that I have taken one white paper. Instead of this white paper you can take newspaper also. So roll from the corner and make one stiff stick, and then we will insert the stick into that cone to make the tree stand properly. Apply the glue in the top corner and stick it in the cone. And first take the measurement and how much part you need, keep that much only, and remaining part cut with the help of scissor. See, I have sticked that paper stick on this paper, and then I have pasted that paper on the CD to get the stiffness to the paper. Now you can decorate this tree in your own creative way by applying thermocol balls, golden balls, stars, many things all of you are having which are available at home. Use that and decorate your Christmas tree. See children, I have cut small circles and pasted on the cap of the Santa. So our beautiful Santas and Christmas tree is ready. So enjoy this Christmas vacation with your creativity and enjoy the festival of Christmas and New Year. Thank you, dear children.